children. Today I start class 3rd English. Poem Unit 3 poem Little by Little. First I'll read the poem, just you see. Little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its moozy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew. Little by little it sipped the dew. See here that acorn seed grow little by little. Little by little an acorn seed as it slowly sank in its moozy bed. Slowly it will be grown. No, I am improving every day. That acorn seed improving every day. Hidden deep in the earth away. When we put the seed inside the earth, that grow slowly, little by little, each day it grew. That plant will be grow. Okay. Little by little it sipped the dew. Sipped the dew. See here in the picture that dew, this is called dew. Okay. Sipped means to drink something in a small quantity of water, that seed will be drink and grew. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. Shall we go next stanza? See there, downward it sent out a thread like crude. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest side. See here, downward it sent out a thread like a root. These are called roots. See here in the picture, these are called roots. These are very thin. Slender means thin. That roots are very thin, like a thread. These are looking thread, no? Yes. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoots. These are tiny shoots. This part are called tiny shoots. These part are called shiny shoots. Day by day and year by year, that plant will be grow. Little by little the leaves appear. Little by little that leaves appear. These leaves are appear. Then and the slender branches spread far and wide. That these are branches. These are called branches. They are spread like far and wide. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Here the word forest means powerful. When the plant will be grow big, after that will be powerful. That will become a powerful plant, isn't it? This is the poem. Can you understand? Okay. Let us see. Here are some new words. See, downward, tiny, appear, slender branches, and pride. Just you put underline. Okay. Let us see these words meaning. Let us see words meaning. Let us see words meaning. Here, hidden. First word is hidden. Hidden means kept out of sight. Kept out of sight. Second one, slowly. Slowly means at a slow speed. At a slow speed. Downward, towards a lower place. Towards a lower place. Next one, slender. Slender means very thin. Slender means very thin. Next one, mighty. Mighty means powerful. Mighty means powerful. Next one, branches. Next one, branches. Branches means part of a tree. This is a part of a tree. Next one, pride. Pride means to be proud of something. To be proud of something. Next one, improving. Improving means to become better. To become better. Improving means to become better. Sipped. Sipped means to drink something in a small quantity. To drink something in a small quantity. Next one, shoot. Shoot means to kill with a bullet. To kill with a bullet. Can you understand? Okay. Shall we go to the next page? See here, next page, there is reading is fun. There is given 3 questions. See here, first one, name the tree that the acorn grows into. Name the tree that acorn grows into. Answer, an acorn grows into an oak tree. An acorn grows into an oak tree. Second one, what things does a seed need to grow? A seed needs water, air and sunshine. Isn't it? Air, water and sunshine. Third one, see there. How many describing words can you find in this poem? You know already in previous class learned no describing words. Describing notes. Describing notes words means to say something about the noun. Something about the noun. Isn't it? Have you remember? Yes. See here. How many describing words can you find in this poem? There are 3 describing words in the poem. Describing words slender, tiny, mighty. These 3 words are called describing words. Can you understand? Okay. These class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. Afterwards you copy it. Okay. Let us go for next one. Talk time. See here. Look at the 2 pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. See here, they are given 2 trees. One is happy and one is sad. Just see there. Here that in the tree, trees give us. What are the things trees are given to me? See, given us, isn't it? That tree said, I give you all these. Here, honey is there. Vegetables are there, fruits are there, nest is there, isn't it? Here, see, just birds are, nest are spoiled and birds are go away from tree. Here, cut the wood, isn't it? Firing. There are lot of difference between both the tree, no? You have to write first picture, 4 sentences, about second picture, 4 sentences you have to write there in the textbook. They are given a space, okay? See here, second picture, write second picture you have to write 4 sentences here. Here they are given these words describe parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. Here these are parts of tree. Write about these words, okay? Stem, bark, leaves, branches, twigs, root, shoot. You have to write here one sentence, okay? Next, do yourself. Next one, match the opposite. One has been done for you. Opposite words, do you know? Opposite words in previous year you learned, no? In grammar, yes, okay. See here. First one, downward, upward, slowly, fast, little, big, slender, fat, mighty, weak, day, night. Can you understand? Can I read once again? Downward, upward, slowly, fast, little, big, slender, fat, mighty, weak, day, night. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay. Related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group. You should copy it. Okay. Thank you. Bye.